DJI just made it official after all of the leaks, the unboxings, the speculation. We now have a confirmed launch, April 16th, and this time, not just China, this is a global release. And honestly, that changes the conversation immediately, because up until now, there was still that question, is this going to be another early China launch first, then the rest of the world later? That's not happening. This is DJI saying everyone gets it at the same time. Now, the teaser itself is only a few seconds long. But the most important part is not the visuals, it's the tagline. All right, the world in my pocket, and that tells you exactly what DJI is trying to do with the Pocket 4, because this is not about specs, it's about positioning. The world in my pocket is not saying better camera, higher resolution, more features. It's saying this is the only camera you need to carry, something small enough to fit in your pocket, but capable enough to capture everything. Travel, vlogging, daily content, professional use, all in one device. And when you connect that with the leaks we've already seen, the creator combo, the mic included, the fill light, the built-in storage, it all starts to make sense. DJI is not just upgrading the Pocket, they're trying to remove the need for anything else. No separate mic setup, no lighting gear, no complicated rig, just one device. That does it all. Now, the interesting question is, can it actually deliver on that idea? Because saying the world in my pocket is one thing, replacing your entire setup is another. April 16th is where we find out. If the leaks are accurate, this could be one of DJI's smartest upgrades, but if not, this might just be a very well packaged version of what we already had. Either way, we're not waiting long anymore.